Are you ready to have your mind blown? Here are some crazy space facts that will leave you scratching your head. There are more trees on the moon than people on Earth. NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter discovered that the moon is covered in small trees. Because the moon has no atmosphere, sound waves can travel through the vacuum of space. That's because Jupiter's atmosphere is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, which are the same elements that make up the sun. These elements are also lighter than air, which means that if you could find a way to breathe them, you would be able to float. The swings in temperature and extreme atmospheric pressure on Jupiter's moon Europa cause diamonds to rain. Do you know any other space facts that would confuse people? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. These diamonds are humongous and reach millions of carats in size. Unfortunately, it is very unlikely that we'll ever be able to mine them, because Europa is about 300 million miles away from Earth. Unfortunately, breathing in too much hydrogen or helium can cause a person to pass out, so it's probably not a good idea to try this at home. This means that if there was a volcano erupting on Mars or Jupiter, you would be able to hear it on the moon. In fact, scientists believe that the moon may be able to detect gravitational waves, which are ripples in spacetime caused by the acceleration of massive objects. These trees are only 1 to 2 feet tall, and they grow in areas that are rich in carbon dioxide and organic matter. The trees on the moon don't need water or sunlight to survive. Venus rotates on its axis so slowly that a day lasts longer than a year. In fact, a Venusian day is the longest of any planet in the solar system, lasting over 243 Earth days. To make things even more confusing, Venus rotates in the opposite direction to Earth, which means that the sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Instead, they use a process called chemosynthesis to create their own food. This is the same process that is used by plants in deep-sea volcanic vents. Scientists believe that these trees may have evolved from bacteria that landed on the moon billions of years ago. Number 2. On the moon, you can hear sounds from other planets? No. 3. You can breathe on Jupiter. If you were to take a deep breath on the planet Jupiter, you would be able to float. No. 4. A day is longer than a year on this planet. No. 5. It rains diamonds, bigger than grizzly bears on this planet. Well, there you have it. Some crazy space facts that will leave you scratching your head. Subscribe for more crazy and horrifying space facts.